with the mention of paradise, why is min tahtihil anhar almost always followed? What is the significance of water stream in the paradise?
Can a garden be kept alive without water? Can you imagine a garden being flourishing and full of verdure without anything to feed it? It's not possible. So anhar have to be mentioned. But the question should have been, why anhar of different material? That is of shahad, of intoxicants, etc., etc. So this question should require a completely different role. In fact, the Jannah of every believer would be built according to his internal attitude to God and godly things. So some people would like to be lost in a sort of layer of self-forgetfulness, to be lost in the player as though somebody had drunken deep from wine. So this appeals to some people. And for them, the love of God would acquire that sort of nahar which flows under the trees, which are his heaven. So these are metaphorical expressions. There are no real trees, material trees to be found in heaven at all. The problem is created for those who, while imagining Jannah, imagine Jannah to be a material thing with thick bushes and growth, etc. This is rejected by the Quran repeatedly in so many other verses. It speaks of a spiritual Jannah, not of a material Jannah. So this question is based on this misunderstanding. He thinks underneath the Jannah these waters are flowing, wine is flowing, honey is flowing. So when the Jannah is not material, why should he consider these anhar to be material? So that is why I have spoken of the spiritual attitude of different people towards pleasure, towards godliness, and these different materials indicate, not materials, but these different concepts indicate the attitude of different believers to what they think is to be the best for them, what they crave for. And they will find a similitude in these worldly things here to what they desire to find in the hereafter. Right?